Bayern Munich potential squad 2026 after winter transfer window.
Manager Vincent Kompany. Formation 4-2-3-1. Citizenship Belgium. Goalkeeper
Jonas Erbe. Position goalkeeper. From Germany.
Manuel Neuer. Position goalkeeper from Germany.
Leon Klenner. Position goalkeeper. From Germany. Sven Ulreich. Position goalkeeper. From Germany.
Defenders David Upamecano. Position centre back from France. Min Jae Kim. Position centre back from South Korea.
Jonathan Tah. Position centre back. From Germany.
Hiroki Ito. Position centre back from Japan. Alphonso Davies. Position left back from Canada. Rafael Guerreiro. Position left back from Portugal. Josip Stanisic. Position right back from Croatia.
Konrad Laimer. Position right back. From Austria.
Sacha Boey. Position right back from France.
Guevara Lee. 60% rumors. Trent Alexander-Arnold. 15% rumors. Jeremy Jacket. 18% rumors. Luka Vuskovic. 25% rumors. Nico Schlotterbeck. 8% rumors. Michael Caillou. 20% rumors. Thiago Gabriel. 38% rumors. Virgilio Olia. 60% rumors. Marco Palestra. 9% rumors. Tyson Espine. 45% rumors. Tyler Tati. 38% rumors.
Midfielders Alexander Pavlovich. Position defensive midfielder from Germany. Joshua Kimmich. Position defensive midfielder from Germany.
Bara Sapoko Nadie. Position central midfield. From Senegal. David Santos Deber. Position defensive midfield. From Portugal. Tom Bischoff. Position central midfield. From Germany. Leon Goretzka. Position central midfield. From Germany.
Jamal Musiala. Position center midfielder from Germany.
Lennart Kahn. Position attacking midfield. From Germany. Vasilij Kostov. 40% rumors. Nathan Dekamp. 47% rumors. Valentin Barco. 45% rumors. Elliot Anderson, 15% rumors. Bruno Fernandes, 15% rumors. Kenneth Eichhorn, 50% rumors. Ruben Neves, 18% rumors. Carlos Baleba, 50% rumors. Christ Now Olai, 15% rumors.
Forwards: Serge Gnabry, position left winger from France.
Luis Diaz, position left winger from Colombia.
Michael Olise, position right winger from France. Harry Kane, position centre forward from England.
Wisdom Mike, position left winger from Germany. Nicolas Jackson, position centre back from Senegal. Yann Diomande, 30% rumors. Victor Osimhen, 17% rumors. Frankelino, 48% rumors. Ryan, 35% rumors. Vinicius Junior, 21% rumors. Fisnik Aslani, 22% rumors. Said El Mala, 35% rumors. Christos Zolis, 25% rumors.